Hello, my classy ladies. Let's be honest, not everyone can fill their wardrobe with designer labels or luxury handbags. But here's the secret. You don't need them to look polished, sophisticated, and effortlessly elegant. True style isn't about price tags, it's about choices. The way you style yourself, the way you carry yourself, and the details you pay attention to speak louder than any logo ever could. At FaraoFashion, we believe elegance is timeless, effortless, and deeply personal. Since 2009, we've been creating stylish garments that celebrate individuality, confidence, and sophistication. Our pieces aren't just clothes, they're a way to express yourself, feel empowered, and shine in every situation. And the best part? You don't need to spend a fortune to look expensive. Today, we're sharing 9 ways to look expensive on a budget, featuring some of our favorite pieces designed to make every woman feel elegant, confident, and polished. 1. Embrace pieces that flatter your silhouette. Fit is everything when it comes to looking expensive. A well-fitting dress can make you look like $1 million, even if it only costs €59.95, like our Farao wrap dress. Its flowing design hugs curves gracefully and allows you to adjust the fit to your shape. Perfect for day-to-night occasions, it moves with you and gives an effortlessly polished silhouette. Remember, elegance isn't about buying endless items. It's about curating pieces that fit impeccably. Even the simplest dress looks luxurious when it complements your body. 2. Choose timeless fabrics and textures. Material can instantly elevate your style. Soft, rich fabrics like velvet, silk, or high-quality cotton create a sense of sophistication. Take our Farao velvet dress, priced at €79.95. It's soft, luxurious, and perfect for catching the light in a subtle, memorable way. Velvet has always been associated with refinement, and wearing it gives an instant sense of polish, even if it's budget-friendly. When shopping on a budget, focus on textures that feel rich. Quality fabrics make even modestly priced items look high-end. 3. Invest in versatile sets. A wardrobe that works for multiple occasions automatically looks expensive. Our SS 2-piece set, now on sale for €32.99, regular €49.95, is a perfect example. The structured top and skirt can be mixed and matched with other items in your closet. Pair the top with tailored pants or the skirt with a chic blouse. Versatility communicates sophistication because it shows intention. Every outfit becomes a polished statement, even on a tight budget. 4. Command presence with structured pieces. Nothing says refined like structure. Our women's padded shoulder sleeveless sheath elegant dress, now just €27.95, regular €34.95, is tailored to perfection with clean lines and defined shoulders. Structured clothing signals confidence, authority, and a refined sense of style, whether you're in the boardroom or attending an evening event. Structured pieces are timeless. They don't follow trends, they define elegance wherever you go. 5. Keep accessories minimal. Less is always more. True sophistication thrives on simplicity. Avoid cluttering your outfit with excessive jewelry or busy patterns. Minimalist accessories elevate your look naturally. Pair the Farao wrap dress with delicate jewelry or keep the velvet dress understated to let the fabric shine. Thoughtful choices make your style feel intentional, refined, and, yes, expensive. 6. Pick colors that convey elegance. Color plays a huge role in perceived sophistication. Neutral shades like black, beige, cream, and navy instantly communicate polish, while deep jewel tones like burgundy or emerald feel luxurious. Our wrap dress and velvet dress collections feature colors designed to flatter your skin tone and give a high-end feel, even at an affordable price. When your palette is intentional, even simple designs appear elegant and expensive. 7. Focus on quality, not quantity. Elegance isn't about a massive wardrobe. It's about curating fewer, high-quality pieces that last. Every FaraoFashion item is thoughtfully designed with premium materials, attention to detail, and durability in mind. From the flowing wrap dress to the luxurious velvet dress, versatile 2-piece set, and structured sheath dress, each piece is an investment in style. Owning fewer high-quality garments allows you to mix, match, and create multiple looks without sacrificing sophistication. 8. Confidence is your ultimate accessory. No dress, no matter how luxurious, can replace confidence. Elegance is as much about attitude as clothing. How you walk, stand, and carry yourself transforms your outfit from ordinary to extraordinary. FaraoFashion isn't just about clothing, it's about empowering women to step out with poise. Wearing a piece that fits well and aligns with your personality boosts your confidence instantly. That confidence, it's the real marker of timeless elegance. 9. Choose ethical and sustainable fashion. Looking sophisticated is also about making choices that reflect integrity. At FaraoFashion, every garment is ethically made and sustainable, so your wardrobe isn't just beautiful, it's responsible. Sustainable fashion adds an invisible layer of sophistication. When your choices honor both people and the planet, your style carries depth that money alone can't buy. Affordable elegance doesn't mean compromising on ethics, it means making smarter, conscious decisions. Live your elegance. Picture this, walking through sunlit streets in the wrap dress, every step fluid and confident. Or enjoying an evening out in the velvet dress, where soft lighting catches the fabric just right, turning heads effortlessly. Style the two-piece set for a day-to-night transformation that looks polished and intentional. Slip into the sheath dress for moments where structure, confidence, and elegance meet seamlessly. Every piece from FaraoFashion, from the wrap dress, Euro 59.95, and velvet dress, Euro 79.95, to the versatile SS two-piece set, Euro 32.99, and padded shoulder sheath dress, Euro 27.95, is designed to enhance your presence and celebrate individuality. Elegance isn't about money, it's about intention, personality, and thoughtful choices. Details matter. Accessories, subtle textures, and a perfect fit are what make an outfit feel expensive. FaraoFashion focuses on clean cuts, premium fabrics, and versatile designs that complement your lifestyle. Pair delicate jewelry with the wrap dress, let the velvet dress shine alone, or mix and match the two-piece set for endless expressions of style. And when you wear the sheath dress, it becomes a statement of strength, sophistication, and confidence. Style with purpose. Fashion is more than clothing, it's self-expression. FaraoFashion empowers women to embrace elegance naturally. Ethical sourcing, sustainable production, and timeless designs make every piece meaningful, not just beautiful. Every dress tells a story, yours. Step out with poise, grace, and confidence, and let your wardrobe reflect who you are. Your style, your statement. Looking expensive doesn't require luxury labels. It requires intention, confidence, and attention to detail. By focusing on flattering fits, timeless fabrics, structured pieces, versatile sets, minimalist accessories, sophisticated colors, quality over quantity, confidence, and ethical fashion, you can look polished and expensive on a budget. Elegance is timeless. Trends come and go, but confidence, poise, and thoughtful choices endure. Every outfit becomes a statement of sophistication and style. Discover FaraoFashion. At FaraoFashion, we believe fashion is a way of life. Since 2009, we've been creating garments that celebrate women and let them shine. Explore our collections today at www.faraofashion.com or follow us on social media. Look refined, feel confident, and let your personality shine with FaraoFashion. Style meets sophistication, and elegance becomes effortless, even on a budget.